there's the body shell. It's got primer on it, needs a few more spots to be corrected here and here. And I'm already starting on the rear wing. There's the template, cardboard, and that's gonna work. That should be about it. Yep, cool. So there's the Nikko. Still primer with its wing attached to a wing stay made from this material. So round plastic. So yeah. Yep, this is cool. So it needs a bit of color, and I'm certainly going to do something about this bumper here, because that looks ridiculous. And there it is. Ta-da! That is not just a Nikko. That is the best looking Nikko I have ever seen. So what have I done to it? Obviously it's been painted, and that worked really well. The rear wing is painted and integrates nice with the rest of the body shell. Got this rear panel painted. I made battery holders here. I made a new front bumper. I'll show you that. It's a bit big, but it's not as hideous and big as the original one. The battery holder. There's the wing support, the rear wing, and the rest of the chassis is nice and black again. That is some great looking buggy, and it yeah, it needs some more colors or stickers, but yeah, I'll figure that out sometime. Not now. Here's just a few close-ups of the paint job. I'm not very good at painting, and in fact I don't like it very much, and it has some flaws in it, but this turned out really good. Remember that steering knuckle I repaired? Were you as concerned as I was? Yep, it broke off. So I made this, and that goes around the steering knuckle, and it has a way bigger contact surface, so I'm gonna glue this on, and then I'm gonna drill a hole and tap some thread in it, and that should be fine. And as you can see, it's not the prettiest solution, but this is 2-component super glue, and this should work better, way better. And there it is. A hopefully functional steering knuckle. I couldn't have done it better myself. Oh wait, I made it myself. Okay. So yeah, now it needs another maiden run, and yeah, I'm going to be a lot more careful with it this time. So I would love it if you tell me what you think of it.